Here we are in front of the beautiful 9762 West Yukon. This is just a little over 2,000 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home located in the amazing community of Park Ridge. I'll take you on a tour of the Park Ridge Parks and we'll finish up here. Now you'll notice first thing when we walk in, they have brand new flooring and paint, and you're immediately struck by the vaulted ceilings. I love vaulted ceilings. They open up a floor plan so much. Then you have plantation shutters. That's all throughout the house. As we come through the kitchen, you'll immediately notice this very nice island. This is brand new, and I will say this was not cheap. Beautiful wood, granite with the wine and cabinets. This is a wonderful island that complements the rest of the kitchen so well. And for those chefs out here, this is a gas stove. Woohoo! Now you have your eating kitchen right there, right off the island. And then as we come out, you are going to see the family room. Now the family room is perfectly sized and situated, and it comes equipped with surround sound. We'll go ahead and pop out back really quick since we're right here. The French doors offer a nice entry. Great windows to allow the light in. And notice how beautiful this backyard is with the grass, the palm trees, the play pool, the pavers, and right there on the right you'll see the perfect spot for your barbecue. One of the biggest benefits of a two-story home is that it makes a really small footprint, so you actually get a nice sized yard. Okay, let's go ahead and go back inside, and I'll show you the rest of downstairs. Right here off the family room, you have your guest bath and laundry. Laundry has access right there to the garage. Now let's go ahead and head upstairs. Now don't mind that little thing on the wall there, that's just where the dog lays, so they wanted to protect the wall. This home is actually in great shape. Now right off the stairs to the right is the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom is so perfect. You have the plantation shutters, vaulted ceilings, wall mounts, and everything for your TV. As we come around, there's the bath. Everything you need in one. You have your separate tub and shower, dual sinks, and a very nice sized walk-in closet. Video does not do closets justice. This is about 1.5 times the average size, I would say. And as we continue around, now we're kind of going up to the left of the stairs. You have the first guest bedroom. Guest bedrooms are all nice size. You gotta love the vaulted ceilings. The vaulted ceilings really open up a floor plan. Go up to the second bedroom. Now, since this one doesn't have furniture, it is just like an average guest bedroom. I would say 10 by 12 or so. And then here's the third one. Now, it's little details, like with the vaulted ceiling, the little architectural details that are so nice. And then here is the guest bath. Tub and shower. Notice the matching granite countertops all throughout. This is a beautiful home in one of the best neighborhoods in Peoria. It is listed for $329,000, and it will be going live in the MLS tonight. My name is Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. If you have any questions or anything, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My phone number is 602-821-6600. 7460. And my email is josh@B as in breakthrough, R as in real, E as in estate, P as in property, and M as in management. josh@brepm.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Here we are at the park here in Park Ridge. Now, I wish I knew the exact acreage because this is a huge park. It actually carries on basically back there, beyond. Right over here you have a dog park. Sorry, we're walking down a hill. So, over here to the left you have tennis courts. And then straight ahead, right over here, you have volleyball courts. To the left of the dog park, you have basketball courts. Now, just to the side of the basketball courts, you'll notice some picnic areas. And then there's some restroom facilities. Next to the picnic areas is a really neat playground, completely shaded. Perfect for Arizona in the summertime. Now I'm walking kind of this direction because this park is more than just a playground in a single area. It spans and weaves itself through this entire neighborhood. So as we come up here to the left, just kind of picture where this path goes out and goes down as far as you can see. Over that direction, it goes out as far as you can see. And then over here, you have more dog parks. This dog park area is huge. More areas. There's some stuff way over there, like I think it's like a workout area. This is a beautiful, beautiful neighborhood, and it's perfect for just about anybody. Retired, young family, you name it. It's perfect for you. And then that right there is Beardsley. So we're conveniently located right off of the 101 freeway and basically Beardsley or 91st Avenue. So if you have any questions, my name's Josh Ezel. I'm one of the owners and designated broker of Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. My phone number is 602-821-7460. My email is josh@brepm.com. Hopefully I'll talk to you soon.